Ever stare at a wall of canned tuna and wonder, what's the difference? Today, we're breaking down the types of canned tuna, so you can choose the right one for your next meal. From light to white, chunk to solid, and even flavored varieties, there's a lot to consider. We'll explore the nutritional benefits, the best uses for each type, and even some delicious recipe ideas. Whether you're a tuna newbie or a seasoned pro, this guide will help you navigate the tuna aisle with confidence. Let's dive in and discover the world of canned tuna together. Let's start with the two main types of canned tuna you'll find on the shelves: Albacore and Skipjack. Each has its own unique characteristics and uses in the kitchen. Albacore is often labeled as white tuna. It's light in color, firm in texture, and has a milder flavor compared to other types of tuna. This makes it a versatile choice for many dishes. Albacore is great for classic tuna salad or sandwiches. Its firm texture holds up well in these preparations, providing a satisfying bite. On the other hand, Skipjack, often called light tuna, is darker in color and has a flakier texture. It also has a stronger, more fish-forward taste, which some people prefer for its boldness. Skipjack is ideal for pasta dishes or bold recipes where its robust flavor can shine through. Whether you're making a hearty tuna casserole or a spicy tuna pasta, Skipjack adds a depth of flavor that's hard to beat. Next up, oil-packed versus water-packed. Let's dive into the differences between these two popular choices of canned tuna, each offering its own unique benefits and flavors. Oil-packed tuna is richer and more flavorful. The oil enhances the natural taste of the tuna, making it a favorite for those who enjoy a more indulgent and satisfying experience. The richness of the oil adds depth to the tuna, making it a delightful choice. Perfect if you're eating it straight or in Mediterranean-style dishes. The oil-packed variety pairs wonderfully with pasta, salads, and antipasto platters, bringing a touch of the Mediterranean to your table. It's ideal for those who love bold flavors. Water-packed is lighter and lower in calories, great for salads or if you're watching fat intake. This option is perfect for those seeking a healthier alternative without sacrificing protein. It blends seamlessly into salads, sandwiches, and low-calorie meals, offering versatility and nutrition. Here's a quick one. Solid means one big piece of tuna. Chunk is broken into smaller bits, no difference in quality, just texture and presentation. If sustainability matters to you, look for labels like pole and line caught, dolphin safe, or certifications from the Marine Stewardship Council. So whether you like it mild or bold, in oil or in water, canned tuna has something for every recipe and every eater. Which type of canned tuna do you prefer, and how do you use it? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for the support. See you in the next video.